Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. 92.1 FM Radio Pesona, your best information station. Hello, good afternoon Pesona Inspira. How are you today? Yes, because of this is Monday, so Valia will accompany Pesona Inspira up to 2 p.m. and this is will be the special day because we will practice and learning about speaking English, and of course today Valia will accompany by Sparkle English Learning Space too, and there are three men. I mean, it's like I'm the one who really pretty here because of they are all boys and men. Okay, there are Bradley, Mika, and Sukirman. Hello, can you say hello first?
Hello.
Hello.
Okay, so two of them are students and one of them is a teacher from Sparkle English Learning Space. And today we're gonna talking about friendship goals and the love of music. But before we talk about this topic, I will introduce you one by one. So maybe Bradley, you can introduce yourself first.
Hello, my name is Bradley, and I'm 10 years old.
Oh, 10 years old. Where do you study?
I'm study at STPU Wonosobo.
What's grade?
5.
5 grades. Okay. How long you have been studying English and speaking English? About
4
1
years.
year. 4 years. Oh, so it since was you are in what is it like a first grade elementary school?
Yes.
Okay. And please, after Bradley, Mika, can you introduce yourself first?
Hello, my name is Mika.
Yes.
I am 11 years old.
11 years old. And what's grade?
I'm grade 5.
Grade 5. Where do you study? In STPUs too?
Yes.
Okay, so you are a classmate in schools?
Yes.
Okay, you are classmate in school and of course classmate in Sparkle English Learning Space.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You are really, what is it, like a best friends?
Yes.
They are really close each
Really
other.
close each other. Okay, since we already heard about a man voice, so you have to introduce yourself
Okay.
too.
My name is Sukirman. I am a teacher at Sparkle.
Okay, Mr. Man. Okay, how are you today, Mr. Man?
Great. Yeah, because it's finally I come back here again, and yeah, I'm so feeling great.
Okay, and how about you, Mika and Bradley? Do you feel like a nervous or maybe you just feeling excited today?
I'm just feeling excited.
There is no nervous a
No,
bit?
no,
Oh,
no.
Okay. Okay, because of I have information that you are a really friends, and I mean it's like a best friends, and you can playing some musical instrument. Maybe we will talking about the music and friendship. Okay.
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 Okay. First of all, maybe Mr. Man, you can give us a reason why we have to talk about this.
Because firstly, because Bradley and Mika,
Yeah.
they love music. That's why we choose this topic. And then they are really close each other when they were kid, if I'm not mistaken, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so how did you meet each other? When in elementary school in first grade or in the kindergarten, or you are a neighbor?
In kindergarten.
Yes,
Kindergarten. Okay. And how do you, I mean, it's like, how do you have interesting in music?
Maybe Bradley first. You want to say something?
Yeah, please.
Why are you interested in music?
Because music is make me chill and not stress.
No stress.
Okay, it can be the way to releasing stress.
Yes.
Okay, how about you, Mika?
Same like Bradley. Is always give me a chill vibes.
With
vibes.
chill vibes. So you don't really need to hang out with friends, but you can. What is it like?
Yeah.
Playing a music, right?
Yes.
Okay. And how do you choose the musical instrument? I mean, it's like the specific musical instrument.
That you play.
That
What
you-
instrument?
What instrument?
Violin and piano.
Violin and piano. I mean, it's like violin and piano is your willings or your parents willing to play it.
My feelings.
Oh, you really wants to play by yourself to good or mastering piano and violin, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, how about you, Mika? I'm sorry.
Saxophone,
Saxophone,
guitar,
guitar.
and drum.
Oh, there are so many musical instruments, and it's really your choice or your parent choice.
My choice.
Your choice. And how do you feel when you playing that instrument?
I'm really nervous when I'm start to playing it.
Okay.
I always thinking, is it hard to play?
Okay.
Yeah.
So when was the first time you playing that instrument?
My first instrument is guitar.
Guitar.
Yes.
I mean, it's like when the first time you playing a guitar in the kindergarten too, or in elementary school?
In elementary school, grade 1.
Oh, okay. So you have take a course for playing guitar?
Yes.
Okay. How about you, Bradley? Bradley?
My first music is violin.
Violin. And when was you playing the first time?
When I was elementary school.
When you was in elementary school, you took a course too?
Yes.
Okay. And how many song you can play in that instruments? Bradley, Mika? Can I ask some specific song that you can play? Maybe can you give? I mean, it's like, can you playing a music by request from someone or your friends?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, okay. Maybe someday I will asking you to playing a music.
Yeah.
How about you, Mr. Man? Do you have any musical instrument that you can playing it by yourself?
Yeah, I can play the guitar, but I think I'm not good enough.
Oh,
at
okay.
guitar.
So-
But I can play the guitar.
Okay, so
Yeah.
maybe Mika will teach you to play a
Yes.
guitar well.
I'm really ready.
Okay, Pesona Inspira, for all Pesona Inspira who wants to join with us, you can join in 0823-2383-9996. And after this commercial break, we will come back in I Can Speak, so don't go anywhere. 92.1 FM Radio Pesona, your best information station, and Valia still come back for accompany Pesona Inspira in I Can Speak program, and of course we still accompanied by Sparkle English Learning Space too, and there are Bradley, Mika, and Sukirman. I'm sorry to what is it like get slippery to say Bradley name. And
It's okay.
we're talking about friendship and the love of music. And before we're talking about the music, can you describe each other? Maybe Mika describe about Bradley and Bradley describe about Mika, please. What kind of friends Mika is? What kind of friends Bradley is?
Mika is a kind person and a funny people.
Okay, funny people. So Mika always making some jokes for you.
Yes.
What kind of jokes?
Like
Where is kau do a math? A calculator.
Okay, okay. How about Mika? What kind of Bradley? What kind person of Bradley?
Bradley is a very kind person.
Very kind.
Very kind person and
Athletic person.
athletic person. So Bradley is really mastering in sports too.
Yes.
Okay, what kind of sport, Bradley?
badminton.
Badminton. Okay, so do you want a music player or badminton athlete in the future?
I want it all.
What?
I want it all.
Okay, you want to be a athlete and of course music player too.
Yes.
Okay, so because of you have a different characteristic, but I can feelings that you are really what is it like a extraordinary person, both of you guys. So you can give me some what is it like describe or maybe some explanation about being a best friend. Do you feel really happy with your best friends, or maybe do you sometimes feels like I really met with Bradley or I really met with Mika when Mika did something maybe? Okay, please, Mika or Bradley?
Mika first.
Mika first.
Mika
Okay.
Okay. Bradley, when I'm best friend with Bradley,
Mm-mm.
I've never met with him.
Oh, you never met with him, even when Bradley making what is it like jokes,
Jokes.
and you feels like it's not really sweet with your what is it taste the jokes is. It's okay for you.
I'm gonna give him a karma.
Okay. How about you, Bradley?
Mika didn't like math.
Mika didn't like math. And how
Didn't
about
like.
you? Do you have ever met with Mika because of his jokes, maybe? Yes, Mika, give me sign. Mika, give me sign. Is it right?
Yes.
Okay. Can you tell me the specific? I mean, it's like the experience when you met with Mika.
Well, he said the jokes.
Mm-mm.
I don't like it.
Maybe you can spill us the joke.
Bradley is a noob.
Okay. And you met at Mika, and how Mika deal with the Bradley mate? I mean, how you overcome, and Bradley will kind to you again after he met.
Man, are you mad?
And then
when he say yes because you making joke of me. So okay, I'm sorry, I'm not gonna do it again.
okay.
So Mika always say sorry first. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, and Bradley will give a sorry to Mika.
Yeah.
Okay, talking about the music, because of Bradley and Mika already mentioned what kind of music instrument that you can play. So I'm a bit interesting about the first time when you playing the musical instrument. What songs you play? Maybe the title of songs.
Twinkle Twinkle Little Star.
Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. With saxophone or violin?
Violin.
Violin. And how do you feel when you are playing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star with violin? It's really hard for you, or what is it?
This is hard. I don't like it.
And can you deal it?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So now, do you think that you can still playing the Twinkle Twinkle Little Star store?
Yes.
Okay.
So you guys get used to play the song, right? For the first time, I guess it's a bit hard, and then because you always play that song, so it become easy, right?
Yes.
Okay. How about you, Mika?
Perfect.
Perfect. From Jimmy Miller? I mean,
Eddie Sharon.
Ed
Ed Sheeran.
Sheeran's. I'm
Yeah,
sorry,
Ed
Ed Sheeran's. And you play it when you was in kindergarten or elementary school?
Elementary school.
Elementary school with guitar,
No.
saxophone, or
With
drum?
saxophone.
With saxophone. And how do you feel?
Why is this so low? What?
And then,
This is so hard.
Okay.
What am I gonna do it?
okay, but can you finish the song full,
Yes.
completely? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now, because of there are so many new songs, do you feel that you can play the new songs too?
Yes.
Can you play it?
Yes.
Okay. For example, for a song from Rizky Febian who already trending now is about kalau ada.
Sembilan nyawa.
Can you play it?
Maybe.
Yeah. Do you think it's easy? I mean, do you think it's difficult to play with saxophone or maybe drum, the guitar,
Maybe a little bit.
little bit? But can you?
Maybe I can.
Okay. And how about you, Mr. Man? Because of you already said that you can play a guitar too.
Yeah.
What kind of songs, or what is the title of song that you have ever played with guitar?
I've played many songs, sorts of songs, but they are classic songs.
Don't say that mini songs is only one sentence lyric. Don't say it.
Yeah. I mean, they are classic songs, like Geisha or Pasha Ungu.
Oh, okay.
Ungu,
All
yeah.
songs
Old song,
in
classic song.
what is it like?
Yeah.
2000 songs.
Yes, it's
Okay.
easy to play.
Oh, it's easy to play.
Yeah.
So someday I will asking you to play it in front of
Sure,
me.
My
live.
pleasure.
Okay, because of Bradley and Mika still to be a students too, decide as a student in Sparkle, but also students in elementary school.
Yeah.
So I mean, it's like I'm curious. Do you like your school, and what kind of favorite subject in school?
I love my school.
Okay, I'm a bit shocked. You're really excited. You like school, and what is the subject that you really most love it? Maths maybe, or music again?
I Little bit like math.
Oh,
Little bit.
And so, what is the most you like?
Music.
PCOK.
PE.
PCOK. What is
Physical.
it? Physical.
Is
Yeah.
olahraga.
Oh, sports. Okay. How about you, Bradley?
I really love my school,
You really love your schools, and what subject you love?
PCOK.
PCOK too.
Yes.
Why you really have a same answer too?
Maybe you are so close. That's why you have the same subject that you like.
You say you like bahasa Indonesia. I like
No?
PCOK.
You like PCOK. Okay. And the second one, there is a second one that you really love about subject in school.
Bahasa Indonesia.
Bahasa Indonesia. Finally, you say it. You really love to Bahasa Indonesia subject. It's really good because of I think I rarely heard about there is a student who really love with Bahasa Indonesia, subject, right?
Yeah.
Some of us is like what is it, like PPKN or
Yeah.
maybe sociology, the one who easy the subject.
Do you think they are easy?
I mean, because of social is can be developed, so we can we can learn not only in class but also
Yeah.
in our daily life, right?
Yeah.
Not specific easy, but okay, we can learn from others' way. Okay, and because of Mr. Mans already teach Bradley and of course Mika, how do you think about them?
They are smart students,
Yeah.
smart people, and yeah, they understand the material that I usually teach, but sometimes they find some difficulties to understand, but it's okay. It's still amazing for them to be able to understand the material that is difficult for others people.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. So Bradley and Mika, one of the smarter students
Yeah.
in Sparkle.
Not just in their class. I guess they are brilliant at Sparkle.
Okay, in hall of students in Sparkle.
Yeah, because they talk English more active than others.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm curious. Do you speak English every day in daily life with your parents too?
No.
So when you practice your English speaking, only in Sparkle or you speak each other by English too?
Maybe a little bit. When in Sparkle, I always speak English.
Yeah.
Okay, how about you, Bradley?
In Sparkle, I always speak English, and with my friend, I use English a little bit.
How about in your home? You doesn't use English word?
A little bit.
Little bit, okay. Because of Mika have a brother, do you openly speaking English too with your brothers?
No.
No.
Because my brother, when I say hello Ake, he says, apa sih bang?
Okay, that's so funny. That's cute answer. Okay, so because of you really love music, do you have any favorite singer or maybe favorite musicians?
You first.
Tato.
What is it?
Tato.
Taito.
Tato.
I can spell it. Okay, can you tell me who is it?
Is a musician
Musician from
from Chinese.
China.
Chinese. So he can play what is it? What kind of music instrument?
Piano, violin,
Hmm.
drum.
And do you think you get inspired by him?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, okay. How about you, Mika?
I like Defcos and Kenny G.
Defcos and Kenny G. Kenny G sounds like my mom because Kenny G is like an old musician, right? It's 90s. Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Actually.
Kenny G is Kenny G, right?
Yes.
Kenny
Kenny
G.
G.
Who playing? He can play a flute too. He can play a violin too.
No, he's playing saxophone.
Only
Oh,
saxophone.
Only saxophone. Okay, I
Yes.
got a mistaken. So can you tell me about Kenny G and who is the second?
Defcos.
Defcos. Please tell me about Defcos and Kenny G.
I like them because they're so cool when they playing saxophone.
Okay.
And when they play saxophone, they make them songs by himself. By themselves.
Oh.
Not by themselves, like with their friends maybe,
Mm.
or with their group maybe.
Okay.
So you mean they create a song and then they play with saxophone?
Yes,
So they have their own songs and play with the friends.
yes.
Okay. So because of saxophone and violin, I mean, it's not easy musical instrument even for me who already major. I really cannot playing saxophone and violin. What is the biggest challenge to play it? Is about a chord or it's about the way you blow the saxophone maybe?
The difficult one is when I want to blow up. I just can. When I first play, I just can.
Okay, then how you get the trick to blow with the right way?
I was training.
Oh, you did some training.
Yes.
Okay, how about you, Bradley?
The song is difficult for violin.
Oh, the song is difficult for violin. Oh, so the biggest challenge is about the songs.
Yes.
If the song is really easy, you can play it without any challenging.
Yes.
Okay, so you must choose the best song option, right?
Yes.
Okay, and how about you, Mr. Man?
Yeah. The difficult is when I play the guitar is when I need to adjust the chord.
It's just a chord,
Yeah,
okay.
because I can't play all chords because it's a bit hard to practice it. So that's why sometimes I feel lazy to play because it's hard to apply the chord. I mean,
Okay, and do you take a course too, or you just
no, I did by myself.
you did by myself?
Yeah.
You did by yourself. I mean, it's autodidact, right?
Yes.
Okay, so maybe sometimes you can pay Mika to be the teacher.
Yeah, you will be my teacher someday.
Okay, and who taught you to play your instrument, Mika and Bradley? The name of your teachers, music teachers. I mean.
Miss Monique and Mr. Reza.
Okay, how about you, Mika?
The guitar teacher is Mr. Tommy.
Hmm?
The saxophone teacher is Mr. Lide.
Okay.
And the drum teacher, Mr. Hendro.
Okay, but all of you guys, do you think that your teacher is really patient with you because of you still have to learn the musical instrument when you're playing? Sometimes, sometimes adult can be, impatient to teach kids.
Yeah.
Do you think that your teacher is really patient to you?
How do you think about them when they teach you?
You first, Bradley.
Okay, Mika is really smart. He already gave the point to Bradley.
They're
Okay.
not math.
They're not mad and they are really patient with you. I mean, sabar.
Yes.
Okay, and how they teach you? Do you have to play new song every meet or what is it?
The teacher give a example first.
Oh, the teacher give you examples and you have to follow it.
Yes.
Okay, and you can remember the chord by you following and watching the teacher plays.
Yes.
Okay, how about you, Bradley? I'm sorry, Mika. I'm so sorry, Mika. How about you? Mm-hmm.
My teacher
Mm-hmm.
teach me like my teacher says it's do, so I play do.
Okay.
So when my teacher says example
Uh-uh.
do re mi fa sol, so I do re mi fa sol.
Okay, so you will play what your teacher mentions. Okay.
So it's like a dictation.
yeah, it's like dictation. But if it's happened to me. I'm still cannot playing it because of I never know about where is the do is, where is the mi and the music instrument. Right?
Do you play piano?
Play piano?
Yeah,
No, I
no.
never play piano too.
Or maybe one instrument?
No, I just have seen piano, but I never can play it.
Oh, the guitar maybe.
The guitar, I
So
do
you
not
don't
do.
play any instrument?
No, I don't playing any instrument. It's really hard for me because when we have skills or entertainment skill with playing some music instrument, it can be good for us
Yeah.
to get a new value, to
Yes.
get what is it like adding value to
Mhm.
us. But I cannot playing any
Instrument,
musical
yeah.
instrument.
But do you want to?
Yes, I want to.
Actually.
Actually, maybe someday when I have a kids, Bradley and Mika have to be a teacher to my kids.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, and because of we still talking about the friendship and of course the love of music. So, how often do you practice and how often you speak each other about your friendship? So it's about the time management. How often you playing a music and how often you spend your time together.
Maybe they often spend time together because you said you sometimes go to Bradley's house.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
And Bradley also sometimes goes to Mika's house.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so maybe the time management with your schools because of you playing so much musical course,
Yeah.
take so many course in musical instrument. How you manage your time with your schools and your what is it like your playing time?
First, I'm go to school.
Okay.
I'm go to school.
In the morning you go to schools.
And go home. When I go home,
Yeah.
I play.
Yeah.
Play until evening.
Until evening.
Play with your friends.
No, with my little brother.
Oh, little brother. At
Oh.
home.
Yes.
Okay, and then.
When it almost night,
Mm-mm.
I'm go to bed
Yeah.
and then less.
Take a
Okay.
course.
Yes, take
Okay.
a course. And when I'm done the course, I reading a book
Okay.
and
What is it? Reading a book.
Study.
And study. You did your homework.
if there's
Homework.
any homework, I answer the homework, of course.
Okay.
But if there's not any homework,
Yes.
I'm just read the book.
Oh.
Okay. You just continue your study even you don't have any homework.
It's like preparation
Yes.
before you go to school next morning.
Yes.
So, what day you take a course for musical instrument? What days? Hari apa aja kamu belajar musik?
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
I mean,
What is it?
Forgot.
Sunday.
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 Every Sunday you took a course for musical instruments.
Yes.
For 3 of musical instrument in Sunday. All of
No.
them in Sunday.
The guitar in Thursday.
The guitar in Thursday and in Sunday what kind of musical instrument?
Saxophone
Saxophone
and drum.
and drum. Oh, okay. How about you, Bradley?
In the morning, I
Mm-mm.
go to school.
Mm-mm.
And I go home. I take a course.
You take a course.
Yes.
Okay. In the afternoon.
Yes.
Okay. And then?
And then I take a course again.
Mm-mm.
Go home. Take a bath.
Mm-mm.
Eat.
Mm-mm.
And then I study.
Okay. Don't forget to have your food. I mean. And then?
And then I prepare to
Preparation
Go to school.
for to go to school.
Okay. So you took two kind of course in one day.
Sometime.
Sometimes in one day you have to follow two course, but in another day you have only one course.
Yes.
Okay, so what days you are take a course? Take a course, I mean,
The music
to music, yeah.
in Friday and Thursday.
Friday and Thursday.
Yes.
You took course in the same place with Mika.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So that's why you are really best friend, right?
Yeah, they are really close.
Yeah, they are really close because you have a same elementary school, same kindergarten, and same course for music course and same course for English learning
Yes.
space.
Always together.
Always together. How do you feel? Do you ever feel like I'm really bored because I always meeting with Mika? I'm really bored because I'm always meet with Bradley. Do you ever feel bored with each other?
No.
No.
No. Okay, so what is the special things? I mean, what is the special things that makes you feels like I never bored with Mika, I never bored with Bradley? The special things. What is it?
Playing together and playing games together.
Because of you can playing, and then you can what is it like? Maybe you can sharing about your musical stories too together.
Yes, and eat together.
And eat together. Have you ever sharing your meals too?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. What kind of meals that you have ever sharing? Fried chicken,
Potato.
potato. Okay. And now I wanna asking for Mr. Man. Okay. Because of you say that you playing a guitar by yourself, so it's mean like you have to spare your time to playing
Yeah.
it, right?
Mhm.
Oh, so what time you oftenly playing a guitar?
I first time. Firstly, I played the guitar when I was in senior high school.
Mm-hmm.
If I'm not mistaken, when I was in year 11.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that was my first time to play the guitar, and I spent my time at night to study the guitar.
Okay,
Yeah.
so you always playing a guitar every night until
Yes, yeah.
Oh.
Not until now.
now? Not until now?
No, because now I don't feel that I have time to play the guitar.
So you playing a guitar just for a hobby or just for
Yes.
why is it like a wasting time?
Yes, when
Oh.
I need to play, then I will play.
Okay, so for all Pesona Inspira who really interesting with music or maybe interesting with Bradley and Mika wants to asking something or maybe just want to say hello, you can join with us in chat in 082323839996 and we will come back after these songs and some commercial breaks. So don't go anywhere. Yes, I Can Speak is coming back with Valia and of course two students from English Learning Space Sparkle and one teacher for Sparkle too. And now we still talking about friendship and the love from music, yeah. And now I'm a bit curious about Bradley and Mika because of they can playing so many musical instruments. So do you, I mean, it's like, have you ever what is it like? Facing some competition or maybe have you ever did some concert maybe?
Yes.
Yes, Bradley? Okay, tell me please.
My first concert in 2024.
2024, so it's 1 years ago.
Yes.
Okay, tell me more.
The concert is from Blast Music.
From Let's Music, and what kind of musical instrument that you play? Violin or saxophone?
Violin.
Violin, and what songs?
The song is Aku Anak Indonesia,
Mm-mm.
Melati Suci,
Mm-mm.
and Simfoni Raya.
You play it by yourself or you play with your friends in Blaze Music?
With my friend.
With your friends, okay. And how many it took practice? I mean, how long you took practice for this concert?
I don't know.
You don't know. You
forgot.
forget. Okay. How about you, sorry, Mika. I'm sorry, Mika. How about you, Mika?
I ever go to a blast music concert too, like
Okay.
Bradley,
Okay.
and Prambanan Jazz concert
Okay, in Prambanan Jazz, you become a player or you just watching the Prambanan Jazz?
Player.
You become a player too.
Yes.
Oh, that's really good. So, can you tell me more about this?
I go to Prambanan Jazz because I win the Prambanan Jazz competition.
Oh, in violin, saxophone, drum, or guitar?
Saxophone.
Saxophone. What song you play it and you win it?
Ke Prambanan Jazz lagi. Kalau misalnya di konsernya, when
Okay.
I'm in a concert.
Okay, so I mean, what song you play it? What songs that you play in Prambanan Jazz?
In concert?
Yeah, in concert.
Ke Prambanan Jazz lagi.
Oh, that's a title of songs.
Yes.
Oh, I'm sorry, I just
Yeah.
connect. Aku baru pertama kali dengar judul lagu ini
Yeah.
soalnya. Okay, how about your feelings when you playing in Prambanan Jazz? I mean, it's like Prambanan Jazz. It's like a national event, right? It's really huge and it's really what is it like? Precious. How do you feel when you play as a player?
Oh, what? I'm win? Yay! Oh, wait. Am I in a big stage right now? Really? Yay!
So you like what is it like? You can believe with yourself. You can be on stage and you can be a player in Prambanan Jazz.
Yes.
Okay. And how long you spend your time to practice to playing to playing saxophone in Prambanan Jazz?
Maybe 1 month.
1 month. And
Uh,
only one. Only 1 month.
1 month. 7 days, maybe.
7 days.
1 month and 7 days. Okay. And when you playing in Prambanan Jazz, do you look at the audience? Do you think that the audience really love when you playing it and really happy when you play the saxophone?
Yes.
Yes?
Of course.
Okay. And do you took your family to watch you too?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So maybe someday if you playing in Prambanan Jazz, you have to invite me and Mr. Man too, so
Yeah.
I can watch you.
I can go to Prambanan Jazz again because I just performing there and there is I just can one performance
Oh,
and
okay.
I can go in there again.
So you haven't got another chance to go there again.
I mean, there is no chance because I performing there, just performing there. So
So you just can go there if you get the invitation.
yes,
Yeah.
when I'm gonna diundang.
Yes, you are invited.
Yes, invited in there.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna perform in there
Oh
again
yeah.
Okay.
with my band.
With your
Oh,
band. So you have a band?
Yes.
Okay. So tell me more about your band.
When we first make the band,
Hmm.
the band names is Irama,
Okay, Irama Band.
and when Irama is performing in Prambanan Jazz,
Hmm.
so we'll change the band's title. It's Be Stone Star. Stone Star.
Okay.
And then we change it again. Is what? I forgot.
yeah.
Okay. So you already changed more one times for
Yes.
your band of name?
Three
times. Okay. And so the last name is, what is the last name of your band?
Forgot, I guess.
Yes, I just say forgot.
Oh my god. Okay. When I was senior high school, I've tried to making a band, but
yeah.
I'm too shy to tell about it.
I assume that you are a singer.
No. I don't have a good voice, but I tried to playing drum, but I'm really not expert it. I mean, it's like I couldn't play it, so I just give up and what is it like? I'm give up and I don't really play it again. And this band never what is it like? Never did concert or doing some competition. We just playing for fun only.
Oh yeah. How many people?
How many people? Maybe just three.
Three.
Of course.
So it's like trio then.
Yeah, like trio. One of them is playing drum, one of them is a singer, and one of them is playing a guitar.
One
but-
of them is you, right?
no, I just what is it like what is it, playing for fun. And when the first time I'm playing a drum, it feels make me feeling what is like I feel like it's really excited, but in the same time when you playing a drum, you have to you have to have your own music taste, right?
Mhm.
I mean it's like the what is it, Mika?
Beat.
Beat,
Beat.
yeah. You have to good and a beat. You have
Yeah.
to feeling well when you put some what is it?
The
What is
What,
it like?
stick?
Yeah, stick. When you playing the stick, you have to have the good prediction about when you have to put it.
it's like what is the name?
Crash.
No, I mean we need to know when we should hit the drum. Then when what is the name? Tempo, right? It's like tempo.
Yeah, wow. It's really hard to
Yeah.
find this vocabulary.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean it's like I don't really can follow the tempo right,
Yeah.
and so I just give up and I try to say that I'm not sweet to be a band member.
Yeah. So it's like filtering the member of the band.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, and because of Bradley and Mika, you have had some perform on competition or maybe concert. So, do you think that when you playing a music, it can makes people happy?
Yes, of
Yes.
course.
Bradley,
Yes.
yes, you feel happy when you playing it.
Yes.
Yes.
How about if you get some hard chord? I mean, do you feel still happy because of you still have to playing well with the chord?
When you get the difficult one, so how do you feel?
What? What is this? This is a hardcore, but it's okay. I'm gonna train this.
And you will still happy for playing it.
Yes.
Yes, Bradley.
I'm still happy, but I'm so don't like it.
So, because it's
okay.
difficult.
Yes.
Okay, maybe you want to change the song maybe because of it's difficult.
No.
No, okay, you just play it, but you feels like it's not sweet for me because it's hard. It is okay, and because of what is it? Bradley and Mika have your own experience. Do you ever think that you want to make a band together, both of you?
Yes.
Wow, that's really loud. Yes, okay. Tell me more. Tell me more. You want to make what kind of band?
I mean, I don't want a band with him, but I want be a duo with him.
Aduh.
Oh, okay. Suddenly I remember about Ratu Duo. Do you know
Ratu
Ratu?
Duo.
Ratu Mulan Jamila and
Oh yeah.
Maya Estianti.
Yeah, Maya.
Wow, okay. Maybe someday you can be like her. I mean, it's like a duo team. And
No, we're not a duo team. We are a duo jumbo.
duo
Duo
jumbo.
jumbo.
Okay. So when you can be a duo, what kind of musical instrument that you want to play?
A smooth.
Smooth. What is
smooth
it?
jazz.
Smooth jazz.
Smooth jazz. Oh.
So it's collaboration between piano and saxophone.
Maybe piano or violin.
Oh.
Have you ever tried about practicing it together as a duo?
Practice the piano and violin.
Yeah, but together with
Yeah.
Bradley.
When I want to play it, Bradley says, "Come here, Mika, play the piano." So I said, "Yes, maybe I'm gonna try to." Look, Bradley, dring, dring, dring. What is that chord? How do I play it?
So you never finish it.
Yes. And when Bradley tried to play violin,
Hmm?
he's can string it like, but I played.
Okay, it's really funny story, but
Yeah.
it can be what is it like a precious experience too for both of them because of you have the same same point of view, same interesting hobby, right? Yeah. And when I was senior high school, I don't think that I have a same point of view with my friends. When my friends is really mastering in singing, I cannot really sing.
Yeah.
Okay, how about you, Mr. Man? Do you have friends that really sweet with you? I mean, the point of
Like
view.
music.
Oh yeah.
Yes, of course I do. I have one friend that also like music like me. He is a good guitarist, I
Mhm.
guess. He's my friend at university.
Mhm.
Yeah, we sometimes talk about music, and sometimes I also learn about some chords, how I play this chord like that with him.
What is his
Oh.
name?
My friend,
Yes.
his name is Hadik. You don't
Oh,
know. You don't know him.
No, I
I just want to say, do you know him? Because of he is Mr. Man friends. I thought he never knew about it. Yeah. Okay. So when you could play a music with your best friend, what song would you play? When you have a chance to playing a music together, what songs want to play together?
We've ever play
Oh, you
Oh yeah, I've
never
ever
played
played together. So what songs?
Morning into Dancing.
Morning into Dancing.
Yes.
Is the
I don't know.
I don't know too. So can you sing a bit
It's a kid-
for the lyric?
Sol fa mi re do, re mi fa mi re do, sol do re mi re do. Just like that.
Yeah, it's nice. It's good.
It's nice. I think you can be a singer too because of you have a
I can
good
sing.
voice.
You can sing.
You can sing. You have a good voice. I just heard.
Just try to sing, then you will know.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, talking about friendship again. So Bradley already said that Mika never met at you, but Bradley have met with Mika. So maybe have you ever arguing each other, like a debate for something?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, tell me more about it.
About Mobile Legend.
About Mobile Legend. When you play Mobile Legend,
Yes.
you have arguing something,
Yes.
and how you deal it.
Bradley, you go in there. No, I don't want to. There is so many enemy in there. It's okay. It's okay. What? What are you saying about? So I just say, okay, we're together gonna go in there. But we're there together.
Okay.
Finally.
When both of you is not in, I mean, when both of you get arguing, so what is it? I just try to making some sentence in my mind, but I try to catch up the right dictions too. So, what is the longest time you didn't talk each other?
How long?
When one of you is mad.
2 minutes.
2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Just 2 minutes.
Only 2 minutes. It's not long. It's only a few minutes. It's not really a big deal, right?
Yeah, it's
Yeah. So you never have a big arguing, right?
Yes.
Yes.
I hope you can be a good friends up till you are being adult too, because it's really happy to say that you never arguing for a long
Yeah.
time.
Mm.
Yeah. How about you, Mr. Man?
Yeah.
Do you have do you have experience that you you don't talk
Talk.
each other with your best friends
Yes, in a year.
in a year?
Yes.
Oh my God!
When
It's so long
it's
time.
when I was in grade 6 in elementary school.
Mhm.
At that time,
Mhm.
he was so annoying because, we did some arguments that we didn't agree with the thing.
Oh, okay. So how finally how you say sorry and being together again?
We didn't say sorry each other, but
Okay.
finally we just can talk each other as usual. Yeah.
Oh,
Just try to speak first, and then we became good then.
Oh, so you just try to forget about the
Yeah.
past
Yeah.
times. So you just talk casually and never
Mhm.
talk about the
Yeah.
problem.
Yes.
Okay, that's really what is it like a rare, rare
Experience.
cases. Yeah, experience. And I have a similar experience with you, but
Yeah.
not until 1 year. It's
Oh.
only about 6 months.
Oh, 6 months.
6 months with my best friends.
When?
When I was in senior high school, I
Oh,
have
senior.
one best friend that I'm already being a best friend with her since I was in junior high school, and we took the same senior high school together.
Mhm.
And when it was third grade, when I not mistaken in third grade, I felt that her attitude feels really annoying, not only for me, for our image,
Yeah.
for our friendship image. So I just silent treatment for her. I did some silent treatment for her, and I give some bombastic side eyes for her when I really met with her. But sometimes I feel really guilty because of it's not a good attitude to finish the problem, right? And when I have a chance, I tell what kind of situation that I want you to change yourself, and why I really met with you. And finally, fortunately, we can being together again. We can understand each other.
Before you graduated from senior high school.
Yeah, before I graduated from senior high school, because of the problem is because my best friends is changed her boyfriends too fast, and all the students talk about it, and I feel like I'm the one who never knew about it, and all the students knows about it, and I feel like I'm the one. Aku paling nggak tahu apa-apa gitu, sementara orang lain tuh ngobrolin tentang dia, sementara dia itu adalah sahabatku gitu. Jadi
as
aku tuh
best friend, as best friend you should know first.
I feel like I should to be the one who know first about her, but but she never told me about it, and I try to understand, and she explained why she never ever explain it to me, because she afraid or she worried that maybe I could not understand it, and it can be ruin our friendship. So the final, the important things is we want to keep our friendship together, but in a different way. So it can be happen to anyone, right? So we say sorry to each other, and we become friends again.
Do you still make friends with her until now?
Yeah, until now. Until now. It's really long time best friend. Okay. Okay, Pesona Inspira, because we have another segment. So for Pesona Inspira who wants to write or collect some new vocabulary, you don't have to move channel. You have to stay tuned in 92.1 FM, because after this commercial break and this song, we will give you new vocabulary.
I can speak.
92.1 FM Radio Pesona, your best information station, and I Can Speak is come back. And now it's time for us to sharing our vocabulary. I'm so sorry. And because we have to move to another segment. So for all Pesona Inspira who wants to write and collect the new vocab, you have to prepare your pen and your paper now. And we're gonna move to learn with Pesona. What's your new vocab today? Kosakata baru apa hari ini? Let's enriching our vocab. Perkaya kosakata baru hari ini bersama Learn with Pesona.
I can speak.
Oke, Pesona Inspira, seperti biasa di segmen kali ini kita akan berbagi kosakata, dan kosakatanya sudah disiapkan nih sama Bradley, Mika, dan juga Mr. Man ya. Dan untuk Pesona Inspira yang mau mencatat, ayo buruan diambil pulpen sama kertasnya. Nanti kalau udah dicatat jangan lupa dipraktekkan di rumah. Oke, kalau gitu langsung aja, siapa dulu yang mau ngasih? Bradley, Mika, atau Mr. Man?
Mr. Man.
Mr. Man. Oke, silakan.
So the first vocabulary pertama hari ini kita ada factor.
Factor, okay.
Yes. The meaning is alasan.
Alasan.
Yeah.
Oke, spellingnya, Mister?
Factor.
Oke, selanjutnya ada kosakata apa lagi?
Next vocab is get along.
Get along.
Yeah, the meaning is akur.
Akur.
Yeah.
Oke, spellingnya gimana tuh?
GET spasi ALONG.
Oke, selanjutnya
The next vocab is admire.
admire ya.
The meaning is mengagumi.
Mengagumi. Oke, selanjutnya ada apa lagi?
And the next vocab from me is have in common.
Have in common.
Yeah,
Artinya
artinya memiliki kesamaan.
memiliki kesamaan. Oke, spelling have in common dulu dong, Mister.
Oke, have in common itu ada 3 kata. Kata pertama have, HAVE. Kata kedua in, IN, I mean.
Oke.
Terus kata ketiga COMMON.
Oke, selanjutnya Bradley. Bradley atau Mika?
Bradley.
Bradley. Oke, next Bradley. Ada kosakata apa nih?
Argue.
Argue. Argue artinya apa?
The meaning is bertengkar.
Bertengkar. Spellingnya
ARGUE.
UE IRGUE. Oke, selanjutnya
Forgiveness.
forgiveness. Oke, artinya
Maaf atau ampun.
maaf atau ampun. Oke, spellingnya Bradley.
FORGIVENESS.
Oke, betul banget. Ada apa lagi habis ini? Ada kosakata apa lagi?
Offend.
Oven. Oke.
The meaning is menyinggung.
Oh, oven. Oke, artinya menyinggung. Spellingnya
OFFEND.
Oke, OFFEND. Oke, Mika selanjutnya.
Okay.
What is it?
Number 8. Recently.
Recently. Oke, artinya Oke, be careful guys.
Akhir-akhir ini atau baru-baru ini?
Akhir-akhir ini atau baru-baru ini. Oke, ininya dong, spellingnya dong.
R RECENTLY.
DLY. Oke, next.
Each other.
Each other artinya
Saling atau satu sama lain.
saling atau satu sama lain. Spellingnya gimana?
EACH space OTHER.
Oke, selanjutnya
Musical instrument.
musical instrument. Oke, tadinya aku yang mau ngasih itu tapi udah keburu kamu, nggak apa-apa deh. Artinya apa musical instrument?
Alat musik.
Alat musik. Oke, spellingnya
MUSICAL space ENSTRUMENT.
Oke, musical instrument. Oke, penulisannya musical spasi instrumen gitu ya. Instrumennya belakangnya dikasih T gitu. Oke, Pesona Inspira tadi ada sekitar 10 kosakata ya yang dibagikan sama teman-teman dari Sparkle. Jadi untuk Pesona Inspira setelah catat jangan lupa dipraktekin di rumah gitu. Tapi karena saat ini waktu kita terbatas, jadi maybe we have to directly to saying our closing statement about our topic today, guys. So maybe Bradley or Mika wants to be the first who will give the closing statement.
Okay. When you guys want to play music or saxophone, maybe don't say I don't want to play saxophone again. It's so hard.
Okay. Okay, don't give up too early.
Don't give up too early.
Okay, next.
If you want to be a good friend, you have to not argue each other.
Okay, if you want to be a good friends, do not arguing openly each other. Okay. How about you, Mr. Man? Because of the topic is friendship and love of music. Maybe you have to give us the closing statement completely about this topic.
About friendship. Friendship is about sharing, helping, and being kind each other. So if you are not them, then you are not in a friendship relationship.
And how about the music?
Music. Music is when you enjoy your life with music, then do it. But
Okay.
if you if you don't like music, then yeah, still enjoy your life.
Okay. You just give the simple answer. Okay, thank you very much for Bradley and Mika, and of course Mr. Man for coming here. Maybe I hope someday or in another chance we can talk about again in this program. So I want to say thank you too for all Pesona Inspira who already listen us up to 2 p.m. and now because of already 1:57. So we have to say goodbye, guys. So for all Pesona Inspira who wants to still listening I Can Speak program, you have to listen every Monday in 12:15. So now I have to say goodbye and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.
Goodbye.
Bye.